Hello there lovelies, Ashley Michelle here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a beginner friendly glueless wig that you could just throw on and get on out the door. So if you're looking for a beginner wig that comes with pre-everything, I'm talking pre-cut lace, bleach knots, layers, curls, everything that you need as a beginner, then definitely keep on watching. So let's go ahead and get into the construction of this unit. You guys, we have pre-cut lace, we have bleach knots, the hairline is also pre-plucked, and they do have the wig in a curved side part. And because you have the 7x6 lace, you are able to do a middle part, a side part on each side, and you have the curved part. So you have so many different options when it comes to the parting of this wig without even having to shift it. And y'all, look at that lace. Like this, and these knots are super duper tiny, y'all. Like, look at this lace. Like, this is freaking unbelievable. Like, that looks super duper good. Like, OMG. And another thing that I do like about this wig, I will have the exact detailing down below for you guys, but this wig also has the curved cutouts where the ears are supposed to be. So you don't have like the traditional, like it's not like just straight across and you have to adjust around your ears. Where your ears are at, there is a curvature, so this should fit comfortably around the ears. And this also has an adjustable band, but with this adjustable band, it does have some silicone gripping across it as well. So not only will that be comfortable, but it'll also give you some more security. And this elastic band is also removable, so you can actually take it out as well. So I love that versatility. And then you still have a comb in the nape section as well if you want to have that added security at the bottom of the wig, but that is the only comb that is in this unit. So there are no combs in the front of the wig where the temples are at. There's just the comb in the nape. And then the other cool thing that I like about this wig is it's very big or small head friendly. Like, you can really adjust this wig to your head size because they have this adjustment at the bottom of the wig. So this is the nape of the wig. So just like how, pretty much like a bra strap, you have that same adjustment that you have at the bottom. So I am going to try the wig on how it is already, and if I feel like I need to adjust it, I will do so. But I feel like that's super duper cool. So again, this wig does not have any of your traditional the adjustable straps that you hook to different spots, but it has this setup at the bottom. So y'all, let's go ahead and just throw her on, and then we'll get into a customization of this unit. But y'all, I'm thinking I'm only gonna have to put my makeup on it, and that's it. Like, y'all, this is super duper cute, and it is also pre-curled, already pre-curled. I believe this is a body wave texture as well, and I do have it in 20 inches. So these are the curls, very very juicy, very very bouncy. So let's just go ahead and put her on.
I require more, better than we ever had before. Gon' be whole, though I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bang making plays till we crashing, yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene.
This is what the wig is looking like so far. I have no makeup on it whatsoever. The lace looks pretty good. Of course I need to add some makeup because it's a little ashy looking right here, but look how deep, like, that part is going all the way like almost to the back of my head. Like you have a really deep parting space, which I do like about this unit. The pre-plucked on this wig is amazing. Like that is super duper beautiful. And the curls are very, very tight. Like right now it's sitting above my shoulders. And let me zoom y'all out a little bit. Yeah, so right now the wig is sitting on my shoulders. I know it's kind of hard to tell because I have a black shirt on. It's sitting on my shoulders and it's supposed to be 20 inches. So they got these curls super duper tight right now. But me stretching the curls out, it is coming bra strap length when I like pull and stretch the curls out all the way down. So the curls are very, very tight. So I know that is a little misleading, kind of given that it's not as long. I will have to double check the density on this unit because this is all the hair to the front on the unit. So it doesn't really look like it's a lot of hair. But I am going to play with the curls some. Because like I said, they are super duper tight. Like this is supposed to be 20 inches of hair and right now it's giving kind of like 14, 12. Like that's what it's really giving right now. So not really a fan of how tight the curls are. But if you don't know how to curl and you just want to throw the wig on and go, the pre-curls are lovely. Like I do like the curls. Like the curls are nice and juicy, but they're just making the wigs a lot shorter than what it's supposed to be right now. So I'm not feeling that, and I will definitely double check. But yeah, this is supposed to be 20-inch wig, and it's definitely giving like 16, 14. Now, as I'm running my fingers through the curls, I'm not getting a lot of tangling. I am getting a little bit of shedding, not nothing too crazy. But as I'm running my fingers through the curls, it is making it a lot longer. So as you guys can see, just by me running my fingers through the curls, I mean, the curls did drop right here and this side is still way up here. So this hair curled up really does make a difference. But it does, the density on this wig is definitely giving natural. Like it feels like a natural density, not super duper thick. I mean, I do love my wigs very, very thick, but this is giving more of a natural density. So I do like that, especially like if you want to wear this wig every day. So yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna put some makeup on her before I decide if I need to actually spray her down. I'm not sure if I'm gonna spray her down just yet, but, and also here is what the side of the wig is looking like. So again, this is a 7x6. So we have 7 inches across the front and 6 inches going backwards. So this is how much lace that we have going in the front of the wig. So pretty much almost from temple to temple, but it's kind of shifted right now because I have it in a side part. And then, but this is what I mean by it's curved around the ear. Like it's no, like the wig curves around the ear. Like that feels so comfortable, which I really do like, because sometimes some wigs, like no matter how you shift them, it's like it feels like it's sitting on your ear, and I just don't like that. Now this side is pulled a little bit down some, but it still doesn't feel like there's a wig sitting on my head, crushing my ears, which I really do like about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my makeup to the wig, and we're gonna see what that does to it, what it does to the lace.
Dripping wetter from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up now. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up.
Alright y'all, so here's what the wig looks like after I have applied my foundation. And y'all, like, this wig install, I mean, it's basically done. I mean, it's supposed to be glueless, and I'm doing real glueless today. No wig spray, nothing. Like, you guys, look at this lace. completely glueless. Do you see that? Like, that is amazing. Amazing. Like, I'm sold. I'm sold. Like, this is definitely the perfect beginner friendly wig if you do not know how to cut lace, if you don't know how to pluck, if you don't know how to curl, if you don't know how to install a wig. Like, this is literally the best wig for you if you do not know how to do anything when it comes to applying and installing a wig. Like, this is so beginner friendly. Like, this is so bomb. Like, look at that. That is so amazing. Like, I'm in love. I'm in love. And the curls are super duper juicy. Like, I've been finger combing them, brushing them, and they're still just bouncing back. Like, I don't know what they did to these curls, but it is gonna take a little minute for them to drop, unless I probably like brush it out, but I'm not gonna mess with it too much. Like, this is definitely perfect for those early mornings when you are rushing and have to get out the house, or if you're running behind to an event or something. Like, this is perfect. Like, I'm in love. Like, and let me show you guys the parting space as well. So we have a deep side part that's already in the wig, and of course you have 7x6. So without even shifting the wig, you can part the hair in the middle. And I know that wasn't a good part, but you can part the hair in the middle. You can also part the hair on the opposite side as well, so you don't even have to shift the wig, because typically, like, sometimes with the 3x4s you have to kind of shift the wig a little bit to get that perfect look for each side. But with this wig, you don't have to move it at all to get a side part on either side, a middle part, or even this beautiful curved side part. So, and this wig does also have layers in it as well. So even if you don't know how to cut hair, like, this wig comes with everything that you already need to just walk out the door. Like, I am so in love with this unit. Like, literally, this is all you need. Like, I love it. Love me. Love it on me. Like, I love it. Yes. So, yeah, that's all that I have for this wig install. Like, that's it. That's it. We're not even gonna, don't even have to spray her down. Like, I love that. Truly glueless. A truly glueless wig. This is definitely what we mean when we say glueless. Period. And curls for the girls. Period. Alright, y'all, that is all that I have for this beginner friendly glueless wig install featuring this lovely unit from Love Me. If you guys want to know all the details about this unit, definitely do not forget to check out the description box, because I will have the information on this wig linked there. And of course, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your beauty bestie, so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin', and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.